After installing the Dialong connector, it will appear in the application hub. To start using it, you need to fill in the required system settings. You will receive a file containing your individual system settings. You need to fill in the following values: username, event queue connection string, action queue connection string, and blob container CSURI. You also need to check whether the sidebar extension feature is enabled. It will allow the Dialong panel to be displayed in the communication panel. After that, you will be able to add 2 sections to the workspace. Work in the interface that is more convenient for you, Classic or Freedom UI. Let's move on to the Dialong settings. Click Synchronize. If the button stays red, contact support. Add operators who will work with chats. Specify the name, link to a user, set the display name for the client, and define the capacity. You can also add operator groups. Select which operators will be included in the group. For convenience, message templates can be created not only for individual operators, but also for groups, helping to speed up communication with the client. There is an option to add spam to the blacklist. Business processes can also be used for various purposes. For example, a business process that creates a lead in the system. The required parameter is chat ID. After that, you can configure any logic. Business processes can be available both to individual operators and to groups. Add the channels you work with. Let's take Telegram as an example. In Telegram, you need to create a bot, set its name, and link the received token to the channel. Then configure the parameters, channel weight, and if necessary, enable evaluate work and include operator name. Select the routing strategy and specify the operators or group to whom the distribution will be assigned. If a custom routing strategy is required, contact the connector developers. If necessary, configure the channel's work schedule. You can set a response timeout. If the client does not reply, the chat closes automatically and a message is sent. When a client writes to the channel, the system creates a chat that is automatically assigned to an operator and displayed in the communication panel. Dialong supports different message types: text, images, files, audio. A client can be linked to an existing contact in the system. The account will be pulled automatically. From the panel, the previously configured test business process for lead creation is available. It helps create a lead in one click. When the chat is closed, the client receives a notification to evaluate the operator's work. In the chat card, you can view chat events, metrics, attachments, messages, chat duration, and the operator's rating. To automatically close a chat if the client does not respond, you need to enable the system setting Close All Chats on Timeout. 10 minutes later, an operator can send the first message to a verified contact. Pre-configured dashboards for chats, operators, and events are available, which makes it easier to evaluate efficiency.